This is a case study for the YouTube channel Engineered Truth. And this YouTuber started out making videos that gave advice on how to get jobs. Now, his channel also focuses on entrepreneurship and how to start your own online business. And I think the reason for this is that starting an online business is his passion. And I believe he currently has 3 online businesses at the moment. And now that he's succeeded at earning a full-time income from YouTube, he's in a good position to teach people how to also succeed online. So what are his keys to success? I think one of the keys to success is his consistency. Again, if you've been following any of these case studies, you'll see that these successful YouTubers are successful because they are consistent at making videos. And what's interesting about this guy is that he was only putting up 1 video per week for 4 years, and he ended up succeeding. So don't worry about having to make 2, 3, or even 5 videos a week. If you are limited in time, just try to go for 1 video per week. As you can see here, he currently has over 372,000 subscribers. Now, when he had around 150,000 subscribers, according to him, he was making around $10,000 per month. Although I know of YouTubers with that many subscribers who make far less. So it's quite possible that he has diversified income streams. For example, he could be doing affiliate marketing. It also depends on how targeted your niche is. I've heard that the more targeted your niche is, the more you'll make from your Google AdSense ads, or basically the ads that are on your YouTube videos. But again, it all comes down to how you structured your business and how you've monetized your channel. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. For example, you could earn income through affiliate marketing, through sponsorships and brand deals, and you could also just open up a Patreon account and ask your subscribers to support you by donating to you, either on a monthly basis or for whenever you have a new video that comes out. I believe when you open a Patreon account, you could set it up so that you get paid every time you release a video, or on a monthly basis. Now let me end this video by just repeating something that he said in the past, and that is, your income seems to grow exponentially if you do it right on YouTube. But the growth pattern is that it'll usually become stagnant and then jump, and then it will become stagnant again and then jump, and it'll just repeat this. It'll become stagnant and jump, become stagnant and jump. So I'm just letting you know this so that you know what to expect when you have your own YouTube channel, is that you will experience big jumps in your business, and then for some reason it'll go flat for a while, and then again you'll experience another jump, etc.